Today I'll talk about non-probability sampling methods. Sampling methods can be divided into two types, probability sample and non-probability samples. These are various types of non-probability sampling methods. One is convenience sample or accidental sampling. The other is purposive sample or judgmental sampling. Then there is quota sampling, snowball sampling, and voluntary response sampling. A probability sampling scheme is one in which every unit in the population has a chance of being selected, and that chance is greater than zero. The probability can be accurately determined. In non-probability sampling method, some elements of the population have no chance of selection, and these elements are known as undercovered elements. The selection of elements in non-probability sampling method is based on certain assumptions regarding the population of interest. Because the selection of elements is non-random, non-probability sampling does not allow the estimation of sampling errors. This is one of the non-probability sampling method. In convenience sampling, the samples are selected at the convenience of researcher or investigator, and this may result in biased estimates. But this is actually a convenient method. Disadvantage is that it is not possible to make an estimate of sampling error, as the difference between sample estimate and population parameters is unknown, both in terms of magnitude and direction. However, there is advantage that this method is quite useful in exploratory design as a basis for generating hypotheses. These non-probability sampling methods should not be used for testing of hypotheses. They may be used for generation of hypotheses. This is another type of non-probability sampling method also known as purposive sampling. Here the researcher deliberately or purposely draw a sample from the population which he think is a representative of the population. So this is investigator and he is drawing a sample from the population using his judgment. The images have been taken from this very useful blog. This is the link for that. The disadvantage of judgmental sampling is that there is personal bias of the investigator. Quota sampling is another non-probability sampling method. It is based on certain basic uh, parameters such as age, sex, income, occupation. So it is actually counterpart of stratified sampling, which is probability sampling method. Here we can stratify on the basis of age, sex, income, occupation, and other parameters. Snowball sampling is used when there is no sampling frame and population is difficult to access. Here the participants refer other prospective participants for the study. So it is like a snowball. It grows in size. Then voluntary response sample. In this case, participants volunteer themselves to be included in the study. So this is from the participants to the investigator. Disadvantage is that there is a self-selection bias. Then there is another type of sampling method known as event sampling method. It is conventionally not included in non-probability sampling method. Uh, in event sampling method, this method is used to study ongoing experiences and events which vary with time. It enables researcher to measure the typology of activity and detect the temporal and dynamic fluctuations. There are three types of event sampling method. One is signal contingent, the other is event contingent, then interval contingent. In signal contingent method, whenever there is a random beep, the participant record the data. In event contingent, whenever event happen, the participant record the data. In interval contingent, participant record the data on passage of certain period of time. So event sampling method has certain disadvantages that it may be felt as invasive and intrusive by participants, and there may be self-selection bias because some of the participants willingly participate in the study. And its success is related to participant cooperation. This is very important that event sampling method may substantially change the phenomena being studied. So this is all for non-probability sampling methods. Thank you.